Hey, Nick with Zona Camp and Hike. I've got another unboxing here for something that we're probably going to be using in the future. It appears to be a pretty versatile device. I'm unfamiliar with it right now, so we're going to learn together as I walk through the unboxing and the item here. Hey, so this time we've got a chest strap for our GoPro. Many of you may or may not know, we primarily use a GoPro 9 for most of our videos. We use some other devices here and there depending on where we're at, but we're out on the trail, we're pretty much using a GoPro 9. So we've got the opportunity from Wealpe to test a chest strap out in our trail adventures. So let's go ahead and open up the box, see what's inside of it, see how it fits, and go from there. So first off, we've got it here in a nice little package, and let's get it opened and see what we get here for us. All right, nice and neat. Not a lot of padding around the package. Comes out just like that here. And let's see how this opens up. All right, looks like it's packaged well. Nice and neat and clean again. Neat being the word here. Let's grab the adapter plate. Go. We've got a cool little mount. And a cool little instruction guide. Okay, let's get this opened up and see how it works and adjusts. So, got some little slides. A little slide, a little slide, get that out. And we open it up. And a few more little slides here. There it is. So it looks like it's kind of designed like the regular GoPro. We can slide it in here. Nice. Move it out. Okay, let's see if it's compatible with some of the other GoPro items here. Whoa. Yep. Looks like it's... Nope. There it is. Yes. Yes, it is compatible with the GoPro items as well. Here. Okay. All right, got it on and connected. But I guess it's just a slide over, huh? Oh, there was the buckle. Hey, look at that. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what we get out of the GoPro here. Let's see how it looks for a moment. Okay, there we go. Well, let's see if I can remove this with the easier way. Oh, look at that. That's it.
This chest harness makes it easy to capture immersive hands-free shots. Breathable, lightweight material makes it comfortable and sturdy during any activity. Quick release buckle, special design, lets you get in and out easily, even with gloves on. The adjustable construction balance fit a wide range of body types and over very heavy winter jackets. Ideal for almost any activity such as biking, hiking, cycling, skiing, or pretty much any adventure you can think of.
All right, plain and simple. Chest strap for a Wealpe GoPro 9 that I'm using here. we'll get some trial runs on it and go from there. Otherwise, there it is. Chest strap by Wealpe. Plain, simple, versatile. Can't ask for anything more. Make it happen.